Agni-3 missile. Recently, the intermediate range ballistic missile Agni-3 was successfully test fired from the integrated test range Chandipur, Odisha. About Agni-3 missile. It is an indigenously developed intermediate range ballistic missile. It is a surface-to-surface ballistic missile. It is one of the sophisticated and accurate missiles of its class and has already been inducted into the armed forces. Features of Agni-3 missile. The missile is two-stage and solid fuel capable of carrying a 1500 kg payload, range 3000 to 3500 km. It is designed primarily as a nuclear delivery system with an estimated warhead yield of 200 to 300 kilotons. The missile measures 16.7 meters in length, 2 meters in diameter and has a launch weight of 48,300 kg. It uses a strapped-down inertial navigation system supported by GPS, giving it an accuracy of around 40 meters. Circular error probable. Its first stage uses a marine steel motor case, while the second stage employs a carbon fiber motor case, both featuring the thrust vector control system for improved accuracy and stability. Due to its high range of circular error probable, the Agni-3 missile is known as one of the world's most accurate strategic ballistic missile of its range class. Ballistic missiles. A ballistic missile is a rocket-propelled, self-guided strategic weapon system that follows a ballistic trajectory to deliver a payload from its launch site to a predetermined target. They are powered initially by a rocket or series of rockets in stages, but then follow an unpowered trajectory that arcs upwards before descending to reach its intended target. They can carry conventional high explosive as well as chemical, biological or nuclear munitions. They can be launched from aircraft, ships and submarines in addition to land-based silos and mobile platforms. There are 4 general classifications of ballistic missiles based on their range or the maximum distance the missile can travel. Short range, less than 1000 km, approximately 620 miles, also known as tactical ballistic missiles. Medium range, between 1000 to 3000 km, approximately 620 to 1860 miles, also known as theater ballistic missiles. Intermediate range, between 3000 and 5500 km, approximately 1860 to 3410 miles. Long range, more than 5500 km, approximately 3410 miles, also known as intercontinental or strategic ballistic missiles. Short and medium range ballistic missiles are referred to as a theater ballistic missile, whereas ICBMs or long range ballistic missiles are described as strategic ballistic missiles. What is a cruise missile? Cruise missiles are unmanned vehicles that are propelled by jet engines, much like an airplane. They can be launched from ground, air or sea platforms. Cruise missiles remain within the atmosphere for the duration of their flight and can fly as low as a few meters off the ground. Flying low to the surface of the earth expends more fuel but makes a cruise missile very difficult to detect.